You looking for an affordable home right here at the top of Madeira Canyon? Well, you're in luck, because today we've got this brand new listing, and stick around and find out why we call this the Overlook. So welcome to our newest listing, the Overlook in Madeira Canyon. So we are located just across the street from Madeira Canyon Park, and this property is going to be priced at $450,000. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1,666 square feet. You guys want to take a look? Let me show you what makes this home and neighborhood so special. We're talking about stunning panoramic views in a prime location across from Madeira Canyon Park, in a home that's as stylish as it is functional. Madeira Canyon Park offers basketball courts, tennis courts, barbecue spots. It's all right here. Whether you want to get active or just relax, this park is like an extension of your backyard. All right, so come on, let's take a look inside. Inside, this home delivers. You've got 3 bedrooms, a loft, and a smart, modern layout that feels open, airy, and ready for your personal touch. Out here in the open concept living area, you can see entertaining here with the TV. You got the kitchen and dining room. Perfect space for entertaining. The kitchen's a showstopper with granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and it's got everything you need to whip up a quick meal or host a dinner party. So we've got the bright open kitchen, and the one thing I love about the kitchen is this view from the sink, overlooking the entire Las Vegas Valley. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm just gonna hang out, have my breakfast here at the breakfast nook dining area. You can see it's open to the rest of the space. And the loft upstairs makes for a perfect office space, so I'm gonna get some work done. Just happen to be using this 3rd bedroom as a gym. I'm gonna get my fitness on. And the one thing that I love most about the primary bedroom is this view of the entire Las Vegas Valley right from your bed. This is one of my favorite spaces for this property, is hanging out here on the back patio. You can enjoy some drinks out here, and this is why we call this the Overlook. Come and check it out. The view from the backyard is the entire Las Vegas Valley. It's just an amazing viewpoint. And it's not just a backyard, it's your personal retreat. You picture yourself out here sipping coffee or a glass of wine, soaking in those incredible mountain and city views. The elegant fencing keeps it open so you feel completely connected to the surroundings. If you're looking for a home with style, comfort, and a whole lot of wow factor, well, you found it. So thanks for hanging out with us on a tour of this brand new listing, Madeira Canyon. This gorgeous view behind us. If you want any more information on this property, just comment below and we'll reach out. We'll schedule a private tour for you. And if you love this video, you're gonna love these videos over here of another property that has an amazing view. Check it out. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for being here.